Today we're going to check into our new hotel. We arrived last night, but we arrived really late. So this is our first day in India. We haven't got much planned, so we'll just show you around. We're not going to be doing much today, but we just want to show you our first reaction of India. So we are in the rickshaw, our first ride in the rickshaw. So how are you liking the first ride?
I love it, it's so excited. They use so many horns.
Yeah. So we're gonna get used to this.
Excited. In Thailand, if you use this many horns, you might cause a problem. Because in here they're just they're doing say hi or whatever, they drive close to your car and then they're just using the horn. I cannot count it. So I wake up and think I heard more than 100 times. So crazy.
So it is raining, so all the bikes have stopped under this bridge. It's causing a bit of a traffic jam. They don't want to get wet.
Okay guys, today we are at India and we are checking in at the Royal CM Plaza Hotel. It costs about $15 per night.
So this is what $15 US gets you in India. Let's have a look.
It smells so nice. We got a big bed and got the fan. I don't think they have. Oh, they also have the AC. And we got a big TV going on here, the closet, and then the toilet here. The showers,
It's good, nice and clean.
they have bucket first.
Modern bathroom.
Yeah.
For $15 US, it's good.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've come out onto the street now and we're looking for somewhere to eat. We would love to eat this food on the street, but our stomach's not that strong yet. So we're gonna look for a restaurant. I think we can see one over here. Hungry yet?
Not really.
Not really, why not?
I don't feel something that I want to eat.
Where's the Thai restaurant? Who's looking for the pad Thai? What you doing on the car? Huh? You don't care?
Is it comfortable here? Is it comfortable? Can you understand English?
Why are you on top of the car, dude? Okay.
Babe, what
That's what he wants.
Guy, what do you think? I think the Indian dog and Thai dog look different. It does.
Your friend's on the car, you're on the wall. What's up with these dogs in India? They're crazy. Okay, so we've chosen the restaurant. We're gonna go eat and let's have a look. What we're getting cooked here.
Butter chicken masala.
Chicken masala and butter chicken.
Yeah.
It's looking good. It's looking very good. Nice. Let's go see what Sai's doing. It looks so good.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Babe, I was thinking the tea is so cheap here. 10 rupee is like 3 baht.
For one tea?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very cheap.
3 baht, 4 baht, 3 baht. Can't believe it. I want to have tea now.
We'll have tea, or we're going to find somewhere on the street and have tea with the locals.
I like ginger tea.
Okay, so the food has arrived, and what have we got, Sai?
I got chicken masala.
We got chicken masala, butter chicken,
Yeah. And then what is this one?
chapati.
And what is this one?
I got no idea.
I don't know.
Okay,
I don't know even how to copy his voice.
so this is our first meal in India.
It smells so good.
So good.
I think it's the best way to eat is with your hand.
With your hand, yeah?
Yeah. And then eat like this.
How is it, spicy? Oh.
I ordered not too spicy. It's so good.
Try it with the chapati.
Wow.
Oh, try this one, this will be cooler. Good?
This one much better.
Yeah. Try the butter chicken. This is the butter chicken. It looks so rich. I think I'm going to be eating this every day in India.
Exactly.
Do you like it?
It tastes similar, but this one is have more like sourness. I don't know. I like both of this one. Yeah.
I'm making a video for my mum. For my mum, yeah.
I also like this one.
That's like something inside. Yeah.
When are you belong this country?
We arrived last night. Today is our first day.
I'm gonna eat now.
Very good.
Have you been to Australia?
Yeah.
You been to Australia?
Nice to meet you.
We have like this one.
Butter or chicken?
So he's sharing his butter chicken with us. He's very friendly.
Good.
Something.
Good.
Thank you.
Good. Good. We have the same. This one.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I know.
He insists that we eat his butter chicken. Don't you feel bad you eat his meal?
This.
I feel bad not to eat his meal.
Craziness.
I almost pee myself.
So there's a random camel just walking down the street. Hello. The first time you saw a camel?
Yes.
You haven't seen a camel before? Where are you going? You're chasing the camel? Come back. He's working. He's taking his bricks.
I thought it was a cow at first. But I was like, wait a minute. That's not a cow. That was so big. Oh my god, it was so beautiful. But why people they're using it?
Because they're so strong.
Really?
So we are just come back from eating and we want to drink chai, this dodgy place here.
What is this?
Can we get two chai? Okay, this is our first time drinking the chai. We want to drink it with the locals.
Actually, the funny thing is, they call the same word in Thailand. They call say cha. It's mint tea. It was so funny at first when you said you're gonna have cha tea, and I was like, why would you say tea twice for me? Because cha is also mean tea in Thai.
David, right?
You got the style with the sugar. Whoa, he throw it in.
I don't know.
You do it with style.
I can't see.
Not for me. You want ginger?
For me, one ginger.
Ginger. I have to take it out first one.
I like the ginger tea.
Okay, so we're gonna pull up a seat with all our friends. You happy? Drinking the tea?
I can't wait to have a tea.
I'm gonna be drinking this every day while I'm here.
It's quite cold actually.
Size cold.
It's like 20 degrees.
It's like 24
Celsius.
degrees and she's cold. Crazy.
And I have to wear like a jacket. It's not gonna burn my mouth.
Maybe. You gotta be careful.
It's without ginger.
Thank you. Got ginger with yours.
It's a ginger tea for you, right?
Drink?
It's hot.
That's a big one.
Oh, it's okay. It's fine. Thank you. Hot?
Burn my mouth
You burn your mouth?
again.
Again. You have to be careful.
Not it burn now.
Now I know to take my time to drink. You like the camel?
Yeah.
He'll give you a ride if you want to go on it.
I don't want to go on him. I don't want to use him. He was so sweet.
So that was our first experience drinking the tea in India, and the guy that was working there said he's been working there for over 3 years, and he works 12-hour days.
12 hours.
Yeah, and his father actually owns a shop over here for over 40 years. So pretty crazy.
The tea tastes
We'll definitely be going back tomorrow for our next tea.
The tea would taste so good. I actually like coughing so much since I arrived, and then I have like ginger tea. It's made me like alive.
Yeah, the ginger's so good.
One interesting thing is in Thailand we have a cow, but when we have a cow, we have someone to look after them, make sure they don't run away or run into someone's house and all lost it. But in Indian is art, because I can see like the cow walk like a cat and dog in Thailand. I don't see any owner. So if anyone knows, can you please tell me? Is the cow like go back to the home by itself or what?
Maybe that is their home on the corner.
I don't know. It looks like they're letting go like a dog and cat. When it's time to come back home, it just come home.
Yeah.
Like that.
You
Sorry.
want to get some snacks?
Yes.
You want snacks?
Yes.
So Thailand, India, nothing changed. Hello.
Hello. Hi. Hi.
What snacks did you get?
I got Sprite. I got chips. I got cookie. I got chocolate. I got chocolate bar.
Wow. You got a bit of everything.
A little bit of everything. This one costs like 50 baht.
Yeah, it's like not even $2 for everything.
Yeah. I mean, it's interesting to try this uncle chips. It doesn't look good.
Oh, is that curry?
Yeah.
Spicy. Oh god.
Yeah, because I want Lay's, and then when I buy everything and I already paid, and I saw Lay's like on top of it, I was like, oh no.
You
I
got the
already bought
curry
it.
chips?
Yeah.
Okay. That wraps up the first day in India. So how did you like everything so far?
I like the food. I like the Indian people. They're very friendly.
Yeah.
They want to talk with us.
So we're so excited for this series coming up. There's going to be a lot more videos seeing the attractions. And it's going to be awesome. So if you want to follow on our Facebook page or Instagram, we're going to be putting all our like photos to our Facebook page, and on the Instagram, going to be doing all the live videos. So if you want to see more of us, make sure you connect with us on our social medias on Instagram and Facebook. But until next time, dream bigger, much sooner. Peace.
Tastes like a bad egg.